A bright fireball lit up the night sky across several states early Tuesday morning, and we have video of it. Take a look at this doorbell camera footage we received from North Mississippi, and you can see that fast-moving, bright fireball light up the entire night sky for a few seconds. This was about 2 a.m. Tuesday morning. We had reports of this come in from Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, even as far north as Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Now, October is the annual peak of the Orionid meteor shower, and that's what this was. This is known to be one of the brightest meteor showers of the year, and it's set to peak later this month. If you saw the fireball or have footage of it, you can report it to the American Meteor Society. Details on that on our website at abc24.com.